every sort of any assault through the influence of my ignorance. Fuck your opinions and see the difference, be indifferent, judging my appearance. I have no difference, but experience, dominance, moderate performances. I give the audience following balanced knowledge of the contents of rappers with a fair presence, expected to be seen, and this is making his interest. Me don't have to reset. You will feel the effect of a man you neglect, resurrected, erect, you attempt to attract a fact as you're learning. Nothing about me correcting my mistakes, forgiving myself, connecting the reflective spirit, selecting the unsuspecting cycle flowing. I know me to know it, of flowing, show me the growing of an artist collapse. In black, relax, attempt to attack. Wounds you attract to me, something's attached. Versus relapse, listing, listless, listen, existing. Law, cough, or pull, cross him, kid, ed, me, tongue, left, cough, not test, or with a mentality, a nasty fantasy, misery, practically on what I can bring to my enemies, rapidly full of energy. A tragedy, tactfully the prophecy. The turtles open the curtains, eye to eye of every person I look, even the competitors, I versus. I don't battle, I'm certain every plot I can't release back and forth you won't see. No matter how unique, the skill set is complete. This monster inside I set free to unleash the unseen underneath these streets. Hungry, it will eat up any beat. The producer finished screening since the beginning of my career. I was brought to punish whoever doesn't respect the craft. 7 years past, it's been 8, I smashed. I'm T-Easy, I've returned. For those concerned, where have I been? The message confirmed. It's how I emerge out of this race. Detectives will race to encase me in a place I pace to embrace. The fire I stick awaiting to play. The hate you give me straight. So just wait. The pair of eyes I steer something in the air. I call to tear every pair of eyes apart. Beware. Opinions I don't hear. I don't care. You don't assist to break the square. I use my fear for straight to weird. When it's cold, prepare spirits, coherence, and I use it to appear. I'm here. Quaff or outside. Quaff la or ratum shrek. Pardock, scissor.